Welcome to the Chairman Television Station. Wazobia Max on top UHF 57 and Wazobia TV on top Star Times Channel 98. This na the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show as e dey hot. Every Monday go reach Friday from 10 to 11 don turn Christmas. Sake of say, all of the action tori wey dey inside obodo Nigeria, we go drop am down, give you license to chook mouth inside, and you go talk am the way anything be you for body so that those wey the matter concern go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. My name na Ezugo Chukwudi, and as usual, I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as take concern politics matter as e dey hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. Welcome to the Tear Rubber edition of our program. As e dey hot, that Ogbonge program where they do it in, where they informate now with different political activities where they happen for Obodo, Nigeria. Today we'll not go different because we'll get different stories for now, which they very interesting. And then we'll also open our phone line when that time reach, so that at least our viewers will know as we take relate issues of national interest together, not as we will take collectively join hands together and ensure that we'll move our country forward. My name never still change. My name is Nkubi, and this is now as it dey hot.
On top of us, it dey hot, we dey always dey talk and say, make you know they're selfish. If you dey watch this program, they enjoy them. They get all the information when they happen inside Obodo, Nigeria. Spread the word. Tell your neighbors, tell your friends, tell your family members. Make them dey on top of the Ogbonge channel them they watch them. I go break them down again. UHF 57 on top of Wazobia Max, free to air. You feel watch them anywhere when you dey inside this Obodo, Lagos. And channel 98 on top of Go TV. Tell anybody when they anywhere inside Obodo, Nigeria, make them watch them. We also dey on top of internet for those who know they inside Nigeria. Make we go into our first story of all the action when happen for Nigeria over the weekend. Everybody knows say get one particular disease or sickness when we say that they carry first now for all the things when they affect us inside Obodo, Nigeria. This one are the one when they call Lassa fever. And then talk say na rat, the thing they follow come. So we go advise everybody when they inside Obodo, Nigeria, say make we dey very careful and conscious as it get to do with our health. All those things when we feel they do, when go make our environment dirty, make rats they come anyhow, and make we dey very careful. And even though we know say some kind of rats they stubborn, no matter what they do and they go come, make we dey very vigilant to ensure say all this kind dirty when they drop, we no come into direct contact with them. And any information when you get, make you inform our health people, make them take necessary action. Make we break our first story down. Based on say this government don't talk say anything when they involve the people, they go do their best to ensure say the people they very safe and their mind they rest. The Minister for Health, Professor Isaac Adewale, don't come ginger say tomorrow when be Tuesday, say all the people will be stakeholders for inside health matter, that is the commissioners of health for the different 36 states when inside Obodo, Nigeria, they go gather for inside the Roton Hall for Abuja to discuss important issue when get to do with Lassa fever. Make we not forget say about 2 weeks ago, we get the first case for inside Obodo, Nigeria, the one wey generate public attention. And since then, we don't manage the issue. Inside the state of Lagos, it get one case when we say they identify. But sharply, the state government don't do everything to ensure say this thing no spread out of hand. We go break them down. Make nobody fear, make nobody worry. The disease get cure. But na early detection na im matter. If you get person when we say the person be like say get fever and they don't give am anti-malaria drug, it be like say the thing no dey respond after 2 days. Report them to the nearest health facility so that sharply they go begin treatment. I remember as we take talk am, it no be deadly disease. The only way when the thing go kpai person na if you know am and you no treat am. Early detection na one of the ways when we say go cure this particular Lassa fever. Remember what we don't talk. The Minister of Health don't talk say everybody when be stakeholder, they go meet for inside Abuja tomorrow to discuss this particular issue so that the thing no go out of hand.
Yes, and from there we could go to our Oga Minister of Labour and Empowerment. That is Oga Chris, Dr. Chris Ngige. Recently, Oga the minister come and talk say, look, say the federal government no go pay any 5,000 naira to any person wey be say we no dey ready to work. He can also talk, say, look, say no country, say everybody supposed to know, say no country go just come out, bring out money, they share, give people, make them go sit down for hours, they wait till when the next one go come. Say it does not work that way. So for that reason, say the government is not going to give anybody free of money to go say, because of say no get well. Say, meanwhile, what they don't plan to do, not to do it, So they give money and also they encourage people to do it for empowerment purpose. You can also talk, say, look, why some people they do go through different trainings, so they're going to give them some stipends, some small money from all this money where they promise, say, they go give. We can also here say, look, part of some of the districts say the money itself, apart from 5,000, say you get some people they will give 10,000. Then you get some people they go even probably give 15,000 as well. So now waiting the Minister of Labour and Empowerment come and talk recently, because on top of the 5,000 naira promise, so they say they will give to unemployed youth.
Aside from that particular issue, everybody knows, say, one of the issues when they generate plenty, I go speak English, ruckus. Inside Nigerian political boxing ring, now the issue of the missing budget, in quotes. And the Senate don't respond to the talk when we say a chieftain and former national leader of the All Progressives Congress, Chief Bisi Akande, waiting to talk about the Senate. Chief Bisi Akande come out for one small get-together when they organize for them in commemoration of his birthday. When they come, he talk and say, he don't check that Senate. Come the year or say budget they miss. Say, waiting if he conclude or decide now, say, in discipline, now in day for that Senate. So, say people when we say they're disciplined and they're serious to do their work, say they're not going to behave this way when we say we're going to wake up the year say budget they miss. He come and talk say anyway, we don't expect anything. Sake of say the person who even dead there or the people who even dead there when they be their leader for inside the Senate, not be the people when we say the party. Look, say yes, you are eminently qualified. Go and represent Nigerians by capacity of that position when you occupy. Say that's why they behave anyhow. And trust the Senate. It just be like beef. In a counter reaction, the talk person of the Senate don't come out, come talk, say, this talk when Chief Bisi Akande talk, say he no suppose they talk am. The person inclined throw 3 times before he called Chief Bisi Akande name out of respect. He say, Chief, say you be elder. He say you be elder. And as elder, he gets some kind of talk when we say you no suppose they talk. He talk say the talk when Chief Bisi Akande talk about indiscipline for Senate. Now sake of say the Senate carry clear mind, come and talk say we don't notice I go speak English anomaly inside this situation. And if we no address them, the thing go cause plenty problem. Because Senate don't wash their hand before they start work. Show Nigerians say our hands are clean. Everything what they do, we want make una they see them. Say how 2 versions of the budget go come before the table of the Senate president and he no go voice out say it be like say something they happen or make everybody come see as the thing they happen. He come to say the talk when Chief Bisi Akande they talk they go back to June of 2015. Say the person when they there no be person when the party choose say make him stop to the talk am. Say no be so that they play politics and democracy with that. Say it be like say for the eye of Chief Bisi Akande now only when he win or something when his support happen now only that time the thing they good. Say make him stop to the talk am say na elder and say elders he get the way when they talk make them know they talk anyhow.
Yes, and from there, make we carry this story, enter the next one. Then from we will feel say yes, we dey try settle the issue of Boko Haram. Unto say yes, so now be the problem we will get right now. Just like say, on top of this one, we never still see the end result to other issues when they come up. We hear say some ex-militant Jaguda people carry war, that is carry battle. Enter for one place for worry, go do it, go scatter the pipeline, go scatter go vandalize the pipeline where they live, where they provide oil, where they transport oil from a particular place, maybe Esclavos to Warri, to Abuja, to Lagos. Can't go blue and boa. Say, look, we must stop this oil connection thing. The reason why they do this thing, we don't know. And then some of the people they live for that area come and talk, say, look, when they carry out these actions, say then themselves where they live around, they say now one eye they just take the sleep. Say they don't even say make them sleep with complete body. Say everything fear just they catch everybody with around that place. But the reason why all these things they happen in the presence of wait till we get on ground, we don't know. Make we see the way to also see if our security people will carry out investigate to know waiting cause this thing so to go to feet now as we take find lasting solution to them for once. Now, what happen for Warri on top of explosion matter be that?
To top our story this morning, we go discuss one very important issue. We get information this weekend when pass so say President Muhammadu Buhari don't order say about 18 serving and retired high-ranking military personnel say make them carry waka enter inside the office of the EFCC to go answer questions as it get to do with the issue of the $2.1 billion arms money And you don't come out come talk say, if dem talk say make you go EFCC office, e no mean say you dey guilty. I just make you go there, talk the one wey be say you know, so that the matter go dey clear. Make dem know those wey get fault and those wey do the right thing. And in a swift reaction, if like say na wetin dey reign now, the governor of Ekiti State, Governor Ayodele Peter Fayose, don come out come talk say 18 retired and serving military personnel to go appear before EFCC. Say the thing get the way the thing be. Say our army, them they get structure and they get hierarchy. Say those when we say they go ask this kind of question for army, then the process when they go ask them this question, the thing they established. Say no be say you come they carry person when we say na senior man for army, make you go they answer question to person when we say maybe na ASP. In contact say this one fit bring ridicule to the Nigerian military. Say make we the cut cap they give them, make we they respect them. We can also go for that contact. Say this 2.1 billion US dollars when they talk say they miss. Say for in eye or the thing na scam because of say all the money when they talk say okay people don't return or the one when we say they put eye say they see if they calculate everything it never reach that amount when they talk. This one now it be all the action to the one we carry come from this weekend. I will go through our phone lines open make it chook mouth inside and talk am the way the thing be.
Chukudi, like the first issue where you raised, the Lassa disease where people say na the trending thing for the disease where they in town now. At least that appropriate time don't reach where our government go do it, go call that this emergency meeting where you talk about because make we not just for how they expect a result or maybe one kind of magical result to emerge from nowhere. At least that this same collective will where we say everybody will come together to ensure say at least we pursue this Jaguda disease come out from our system.
Very true.
A typical example, when the Ebola case happened, we know as we collectively come together as one Nigeria, do it, ensure say Ebola no go even reach our side at all. And if you also look the report, at least our own casualty no dey that much compared to other countries where we say
Sierra Leone, Liberia,
so massively. You understand? Now the kind will to say yes, so let us get it right for certain things at least. I wish this same will, this same spirit, we go fit channel them to other areas for our governance, for other areas for government and matter. So that at least that's strong. If they channel all this kind of strength, all this kind of commitment to other things, because they say nobody go even stand and say they won't come they complain or they cry about bad leadership and all that.
Very
you
true.
Understand? So they try to relate them because if we come out fight this kind of thing or even fight Ebola, you understand? Collectively like one Nigeria, we should be able to at least collectively like one Nigeria also tell ourselves the good truth and also say okay, make we provide better leadership for these people.
Very true.
In all commitment.
Very, very true. I believe say the lesson when Nigerians learn from the time when we say we tackle Ebola, pursue and come out for this country. Now something when we say we go adopt, come apply them for this one to use comot Lassa fever for our country, ensure say the health of people and the thing they kajad. We remember like you talk say for some parts of Africa, West Africa, when our sister African
Sierra
countries,
Leone, Liberia,
even for Sierra Leone, you get the time when we say they even suspend Christmas because then talk say they no one situation when we say people go come out, say maybe then go Christmas and VG service. Or then go church, or then they do gathering, say they call they meet people. So this one, it shows, say, disease now something when we say, if we come out, all the thing we need to do now to use our power to see, say, we pursue and come off our country. And this one will be about, say, okay, this government or this political party, or when it happened during our time, see what we do. Now about Nigerians. As a people, we supposed to come out, look, say, okay, all the information when we say the health, Ministry of Health don't drop down, say, rats, no be meat, say the thing na pest. Make we ensure, say, we keep our food items safe.
Exactly.
Make we ensure, say, if we see cases, we feel report them quickly. Make nobody
not just
fear, say,
keeping
this
food
kind of thing
items
happen.
safe. Keep your environment safe because now all those
true.
kind of things they invite some of these things to come over.
Very
You
true.
know, by the time you keep your environment clean, at least no rat go even look say they won't count they pay you one kind of visit. 21 cause that one.
Very, very
you
true.
understand? So now one of these few things we also need to at least take note of.
Very
How keeping your environment clean and also ensuring that say the food we dey chop, at least you make sure say you preserve and well, you keep it in a safe way so that we no go invite anything related to rat and all that.
Very, very true. And if we see situations like this, we suppose they give kudos. Just like the way when they give knocks if they don't do something well. Professor Isaac Adewale when we say, now he be our Minister of Health. and all the people when we say they did the Ministry of Health and even the state ministries of health, when they try their best to see, say, okay, oh, they put everything in place to see, say, the health of Nigerians, they're safe. And this last have even no gather plenty power, pass the way when the thing they, we cut cap, give una, and we they encourage una, say, make una continue to they do una work. Now, Nigerians una they represent, we go give una all the support we una need to you see, say, okay, the vision of Mr. President for this country, una go bring them to bear. And it go dey very, very important, make they point out, say, other ministers too, other ministries, make them put ear for ground, make them they watch. Because this one shows, say, okay, Professor Isaac, they're very, very prepared. This one shows, say, at least our health ministry, they're very, very prepared. If you check the way when we say from the first case, when they report, going from Taraba, Port Harcourt, and other places, you go see, say, the way when they don't take the watch out for the contact people, when don't come in direct contact with these people, now something when we say you don't do very, very well. We go enter Iju Ishaga, collect this call from Oga Matthew. Oga Matthew, good morning and welcome to As in the Heart.
Hello, brother. Good morning.
Good morning,
sir.
Matthew.
Yeah. I want to make a little contribution concerning this.
Would they hear you, Oga Matthew?
Yes. Concerning the 5,000 naira.
Okay.
Matter,
APC, party promise to Nigerian citizens.
Okay.
And now the information is changing, as you can see it now. Yeah, because I could remember what they said during their campaign. They promised Nigerian citizens that they're going to provide 5,000 to each to Nigerian citizens. They also promised free meal for primary school children.
Pupils,
they also promised a lot of things. Now, Njige is now saying a different thing, that they are not going to pay the 5,000 naira to Nigerian citizens, and no country is able to pay 5,000 naira to their citizens.
Oga Matthew, in no talk say they no go pay 5,000 naira. In talk say they no go pay 5,000 naira to Nigerians to go sit down for house. So at least if they pay 5,000 naira, I think they go expect you. Say if that training, maybe some kind acquisition training they will give you, I think they give you the training, they collect the money on top. So the doctor said the 5,000 naira thing still there in place, but something must go must go along with them. Maybe to just give you money, maybe you go sit down for house. You understand what I try to talk?
You go
Yes,
good.
but okay, what is the plan now to settle that promise? Because many people are hoping to get that 5,000 naira from them. Because there are some people who can use that 5,000 naira to open up a business. There are some people who can also use it to, help their business also. So why they could have told Nigerians that look at the condition before making that promise.
Sorry, one more thing. If you have a business, what will you be needing a 5,000 naira
No,
for?
make him explain finish. Make him explain finish.
One can use that 5,000 naira to open a recharge card business.
Okay.
There are a lot of things one can use that money set up. Yes. So they should have tell us the condition before coming up to make such a promise.
Oga Matthew, in fact, thank you very much
for this your important contribution. From Iju Ishaga, we go enter inside Abuja, collect this call from Oga Igo. Oga Igo, welcome to As in the Heart.
Oga Igo, good morning.
If a herbalist knows all the herbs in the bush, death will not come knocking on his door.
Thank you very much.
With this, I'll say good morning to Oga Shukudi and Oga Ukubi.
Good morning,
Ukubi,
Oga
laugh
Igo.
this morning. I don't know why. When you introduce this morning, you laugh. I don't know why you laugh. Down to the issue of you've dropped many topics, but I will go straight to the topic of Lassa fever and leave the rest. If the way, when you say we run, attack Ebola because they don't say Ebola no get friend, you no get permanent enemy, no get permanent friend. We attack Ebola like that. You know kill rich, you know kill people like that.
Yeah.
If now when they say Lassa fever, then now we know say Lassa fever dey for so state. Why did they say we not attack Lassa fever like that? Because I believe that all each state get commissioner of health. They want to tell us that they go wait for the Minister of Health to start to tell them, say, see the work where they go do. I mean, they don't know their works. Because now, this Lassa fever, when they look at play, it is spread. People, they die. nobody they talk say they don't give a emergency approach. Everybody relax. Now they say what did they keep on? I say now Tuesday they want gather they hold meeting. Say they go take to the case. For not many people out there. I mean the people where last time for not key. I'm not just say Ebola key them like that. Because they see say these last time are poor people. Mostly poor people, now the key. Because I been in time of Ebola, I'm not to say one Ebola, or kill one poor man. Because Ebola now rich people now key. So now because now the rich people now, the poor people the key now the ministry, nobody, the minister of health, the commissioner of health, everybody just dance. They sleep.
Oga Igo, thank you very much for this your important contribution. But before we address what you talk, we go collect this call from Oga Stanley. Oga Stanley, they call us all the way from Owerri. Oga Stanley, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning, Stanley.
My brother, here's your like no.
Okay.
This Lassa fever, what would they talk about?
Yeah.
We know because we know say what we know say if you open your food, the thing will just if the rat touch and test anything, you contact them from. But what about those people, those Nigerians that when they see this rat like food? So what in the house people they talk about that because as of last Friday I see one of my man for a village in people they catch rat they use them as food. So what in this house people they talk about?
Oga Stanley, thank you very much for that your important question.
We'll address that matter, but then make we quickly look into
okay. Oga Igo been talk about Oga Igo talk about make we just make certain things they clear. Starting from what Oga Matthew talk. The 5,000 stipend when we say the Honorable Minister of Labour and Employment come out talk say they no go pay. Not be say they no go pay am. In talk say they no go give person the money without the person earning that money.
Yes.
That is to say, you know, be say you go just sit down and talk say I no get work. I can't they collect 5,000. But I understand the question where Oga Matthew they come from. Oga Matthew they talk say where be they say they get any defined plan in the first place say that like this the thing go be. I mean they just looks okay. We'll make we tell Nigerians say we will give 5,000 when people come out and like this it go be. Just like waiting the Honorable Minister don't talk. No country for this world go just give you money for waiting you know they do at all. So if you go collect that 5,000, it is either say you go dey under training for some empowerment or you go they do something. Make it not be like say that they use and they encourage laziness. After we take this call from Oga Elochukwu from Ikorodu, we go come back and address some other things when we say Oga Igo and Oga Stanley being asked. Oga Elochukwu, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Elochukwu.
Good morning.
I beg. Oga Elochukwu, try ginger up. Raise your voice up. No, we hear you.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
We hear you.
Okay, I want to comment on the issue of
The issue of what?
soldiers.
Huh?
Retired
Okay, we dey hear you.
by reporting to EFCC the issue of concern one money missing or whatever. Well, what I contributed on
Fayose statement, okay.
by not going to EFCC or when we know that our army there's a session in army in those areas to investigate on those issues related something like that. Then they should go the same that way and find the solution without no answering EFCC or whatever. So that is my own comment.
Oga Elochukwu, thank you very much for this your important contribution. Like we take talk, say you go appear before EFCC, no mean say
you don't
dey guilty or you don't do that one. Now to make the thing they very very clear. But it is important make we do them through the right way. Make it not be like say we dey do things from backyard or we know they do the things the right way. Oga Chukwu, they call us all the way from Owerri. Oga Chukwu, welcome to Aside Hot.
Oga Chukwu, good morning.
Oga Chukwu, you there?
Bless
It be like say network no gree am. I beg you go just try call us back so that you will give us all those your ogbonge contribution. So e dey good say wetin Oga Matthew been ask about the 5,000 naira make we make am clear. No be say they no go pay 5,000 naira.
Thought, I understand Oga Matthew's you just as you talk, I understand the angle they also try bring her from. We could also ask ourselves, tell ourselves some good truth. Okay, these were promises made. You understand by the president
the electioneering
exactly
campaign,
say they will give 5,000 naira to unemployed youth. But then if you look the promises, the way they take presenter in the first place, they made it look too ordinary. As if say, okay, we go dash out money. And it make also bear in mind, they say they will give out to unemployed youths. You understand? And Nigerians, being the kind of country we be, go say, okay, if this is coming at, if for some Nigerians, so if this is coming free to us, you understand? At least some of us go fit take a start up something, you understand, on our own way. Then, you go see say somehow, that this thing alone don't win the heart of people. So in this case, I go talk say directly or indirectly, the campaign promises was no day in accordance with waiting they try, you understand? Waiting they try offer to Nigerians now, because what they said is totally different from waiting they try talk about now, you understand? What they said is we will give her 5,000 naira. They don't talk say, they don't even emphasize the fact, say look, we will give her 5,000 naira to youths where they ready to at least get themselves involved in something. We'll dash her 5,000 naira to unemployed youth. That was where they stopped, you understand?
Very true.
But ensuring you establish your promises and make Nigerians know say
make them dey clear.
They very clear to Nigerians. That is a job like say somehow. Una take this hand, we will go outside. Now can't take this on our hand, drag us.
Make we make this call clear.
Yes, we get Ashai. Ashai, they call us from Fadei. Good morning, Ashai.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, we hear you right on.
I greet you now.
We dey greet you too, Oga Ashayi.
Now, well done.
Good morning.
I greet you.
Thank you very much.
I just want to quickly talk about that Lassa Fever thing.
Okay.
I don't think say they're supposed to wait till Tuesday before they
Before they go
start
address
to
them,
talk
okay.
about this matter. Because I believe say if not the rich people where the thing they affect, they go down swift to action before they go down do what they're supposed to do. But as if you say now poor people the thing they really affect, as other callers don't talk. Me, I think say they're supposed to do the thing, put action very, very fast as we do for Ebola. That one and one. The other one we want to talk about is the 5,000 naira stipends where they're supposed to give. I think as they don't talk, no country will give you money for free where you know work for them. They suppose anybody where they go give that money supposed to do something. Nobody say you go just sit down for us, say there's 5,000.
Collect 5,000.
If they do that one, they go they encourage laziness. Now, some people say no go and work again. They go believe say the money go always come.
Oh, exactly.
And again, make fire say go make him face the work where them put down for his office.
Yes.
I believe say even say if you be president, if we want to undergo our law system, if you be president and they indict you, say, okay, you do something, you get the right to come out and can't defend yourself. Nobody say you go talk, say one person, a general for army, you know if you can't answer case for EFCC. If they don't come, if they say, okay, in they guilty, they can transfer and go their
own military,
their whatever court where they get for their army, whatever. But to say then no go fit come they do stuff for inspector or they do stuff for corporal, we say now they investigate the matter. Me, I know to like that kind of thing.
Oga Ashayi,
thank you.
your
Very, very
contribution
much.
make plenty sense. No be about yes sir or yes ma'am. Now about doing the right thing. From Friday you go enter Ikorodu. Collect this call from Oga Dan. Oga Dan, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Dan.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. I better reduce the volume of your television so that we go fit hear you.
But I've already did that.
Oh, yeah,
Okay,
feel
fine
free.
on. I will hear you.
Okay. It is okay. Okay. Hello?
We dey hear you. Continue.
Thank you. First of all, I want to talk about what Fayose said. About Fayose's matter.
Will hear.
You know, for me, I like the way Oga Presido do it.
Okay.
If you know that you don't want embarrassment, you don't want any small people to embarrass you, you make sure that when you are there, you do something better. Yes, because you don't want embarrassment. No one small boy, one small guy to come and embarrass you. So it will make you to be serious. And you are not going to touch our money. You are going to be clean in anything you are doing. Because you don't like embarrassment. But if you misbehave, people will embarrass you. But if you don't like embarrassment, you make sure that everything that you are doing, you do it properly, and you have a proper record and proper accountable these things. That is so far Fayose's matter with President these things. By this sickness, which
Lassa fever.
Lassa fever.
Last and with what?
Lassa fever.
Lassa
Will
fever.
hear you.
You see, this country, may God just help us. The time when they say, Ebola, they keep people, Ebola, they keep people. How many poor people you hear say Ebola keep? Now, people when they enter planes, and then they catch Ebola. People when they go airport, people when they go sit down for this thing. You know, that time our government quickly find money, then start doing this campaign against Ebola. Because they want they don't want their rich people to die. Now the sickness that are killing poor people, our government has seen nothing to do. They are now looking for committees. The time of Ebola, did you hear talking of any committee? May God just help us in this country.
Thank you very much, Oga Dan.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. What we go do be say, after we carry everything when everybody talk, we go chook mouth inside. Quickly, make we rush, enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, sharp. We'll collect Oga Solomon when they wait for us all the way from Chicago. When they come back, no go anywhere.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.